Hey, what's up, everyone? My name's AJ Writes Crypto.
And I am Jada, the Glitter Queen.
And this is your week 13 portfolio update. We got a lot of stuff for you in today's video. We are going to get straight into it. Here is my crypto portfolio. The numbers on that we've been building over the past 12 weeks, the numbers that you see next to the coins is not how much money it's currently worth. It's how much is invested in each coin. I'm going to go over the overview right now. In the graph, I'm up $27. Algo down 16. HBAR up 217. Let's go. Shout out to the HBAR Barians. And we have an HBAR price prediction coming on this channel tomorrow. Make sure you watch that video. Down 32 on VeChain, down 187 on Sand. I wish I did not buy that coin, but it was bullish at the time I bought it. It was worth money, but it was a short-term trade. Should not have put it in a long-term portfolio. Lesson learned. In Phemex coin, up $97. That one went to over $1 this week. I'm telling you, PT, the Phemex coin, is a winner. Going to be buying more of that one for sure. Down 94 on Pal AI, up 226 on Phantom. We'll show you a little bit more of the Phantom chart and the Sonic upgrade. Down $32 on Avalanche, down $17 on Arrow. But I really like Arrow. Probably going to buy some more of that one this week as well. So in the past couple weeks, Jada and I have been making these videos. We were both down big. Now we're not up much, but at least we're finally back in the green. I am up $189. I'm up 3.16%. Stone Cold Steve Austin style. Very proud of it. And I'm going to tell you what I'm buying this week. But first, I am going to hand it over to Jada to do her portfolio so she can tell you how far she's up and what she's investing. So here we go.
Well, thank you very much. All right, you guys. So like AJ said, we're finally back in the green. I am up $7 whole dollars.
And you do, to be fair, you have $1,200 invested at this point, and you were down like a couple hundred before. So
yeah, so we're doing good. I am up $84 on the graph. I am down 17 on VeChain, down 25 on Algo, up $3 on HBAR, and down 38 on ADA. So that's kind of the wrap up of where we're at as far as the little pie graph thing goes, as you can see. But I am splitting up. Since I have some dry powder, I'm gonna buy $300 worth of crypto.
Nice.
I'm buying $100 of Algorand, $100 of VeChain, and $100 of HBAR. And there's reasons for this. And AJ has a chart on Algorand that I really, really, really want you guys to see.
Okay. So. Oh, the algo chart. Okay. Okay. Sweet. Yeah. Let's do that. Good idea. So I think, all right, first of all, Algorand has been in this downtrend, as you can see here, for quite a long time. But when you zoom in, this is the daily chart, by the way. Look, it not only did it break support resistance, it has broke out of this downtrend, fighting the 200 EMA, moving up in the money flow. Would really like to see it, get up to support resistance here. But I really think that this is the beginning of the next move for Algorand. Algorand over time, has been putting in these higher lows as time has gone on. It has held the 16-cent level. And now you have to realize, everyone, these previous highs here, even from back in March and April earlier this year, all of these levels now become targets. Algorand this year, everyone, was up almost to 33 cents from where we are now. If Algorand goes back to that level, we're talking a 78% pump back to 33 cents. That is amazing. I am here for it. And that totally makes sense. Good idea buying Algorand this week, Jada, for sure. Got a couple things I want to show you. I'm going to rapid fire through these. A lot of really good stuff right here in the TA segment. All right. Bitcoin, head and shoulders. Head and shoulders broke out of the neckline, needs to get above support resistance here. That support resistance level is 67.3. Bitcoin just today hit, I think, 1 month high, or past 45-day high or something. I saw a statistic on Bitcoin's moving. Let's hope it gets support resistance. The measured move from the head and shoulders from the current price would be about a 7.5% move to 72.1, which would take us, right back in the conversation of fighting for that high there, and, maybe getting back in the price discovery mode for Bitcoin. We're definitely going to use Bitcoin to determine the direction for altcoins. To be fair, we did buy stables last week. We bought stables last week because we were unsure. Do you know why? Because last week, Bitcoin was here. Bitcoin was here. Like we were nervous Bitcoin was going to lose 60. Of course, we bought stables last week. It was ultimately the wrong decision, but better safe than sorry. Like I said, I wanted to see a bullish structure, and 1 week later, we have bullish structure. So there we go. So Phantom, Sonic upgrade. Things are soaring. This is bullish. We went over this in the live stream. What I want to show you really quick. So Phantom's chart, look at this. So we had the cup and handle. And the cool thing about, it did go past the measured move, but the cool thing is when Phantom came down, it held the neckline. It held the neckline, even with the graph. The graph, cup and handle, came up past the measured move, held the neckline. These are really bullish structures that it held that line, which was also the 2023 high for the graph. But then you look at coins like Matic. Look at coins like Matic. Look at this. Cup, handle, lost the neckline, invalidated. So, you got to pay attention to the structure of these coins where, Matic has a much not nearly as bullish as the Phantom or the graph. But to be fair, it is in a broadening ascending channel. And if Matic gets back to the top of the channel, that would be about 100% move for Matic. I'm not buying Matic, but I was just kind of showing you that to allude to the fact that you want to really take the technicals into consideration in the coins you're buying here, because the coins with the better technicals that have held the neckline are going to be better buys. With Phantom, for instance, from where we are now, we're about a 47% pump away to its local high. I'm definitely going to be loading up on some Phantom. In terms of the graph, like I said about Algorand, those previous levels are now targets. The graph about 58% away from 50 cents where it was before.
So nice.
Yes,
for the portfolio.
That would be so nice. I completely agree. And look at this. See it? Look at this level here. We had a touch also over here. This is a really big support resistance level all the way back here from 2022. All right. This level is right around high 31s, about 32 cents. We want to keep that level. So look, actually we lost it and the graph is on that level right now. It's actually like an inch below that level. All right. Keep a close eye on if the graph gets above 32. That's kind of the deal breaker.
This is as of Friday.
Yeah, the video comes out tomorrow. So you'll know tomorrow, run to the graph and see, because this is the old value area. All right. And this is the new value area. This line is the difference between them. If the graph gets above 32 cents, it is on like Donkey Kong. And you know that I am loading up for that. Also, I do want to give a quick shout out to HBAR. A lot of really bullish news. The Hashgraph Association partners with the QFC to launch a $50 million digital assets venture studio in Qatar. Super bullish on that. There's also, the payments with SKUX, SKUX, and they're also, they're in with Visa. So this news just came out today. This is extremely bullish for HBAR. This statistic is not in my HBAR price prediction, so I did want to touch on that. And also, Hedera, in the past 24 hours, created over 83,000 accounts. 83,000. Amazing. Oh, yeah, almost, 9.5 million. 83,000 accounts in the past. I thought that was one big number. Don't listen to what I just said. I'm impossibly bullish on HBAR. Impossibly bullish on HBAR. Are you?
Yeah, for sure.
Hell yeah. And the thing is that don't miss the price prediction video tomorrow. Put a lot of work into that one. Very proud of it. You're really going to want to see that video. In short term, this is a weekly chart, everybody. Weekly chart for Hedera. Green dot on Market Cipher B, coming up in the money flow, up in the VWAP, up on the RSI. It has a long way to go to get, to the top, the support resistance, or to the top of the ascending broadening channel. Zooming in on, say, even like the 4 hour, I'll kind of explain some of the support resistance. It is, there is a fight being put up at this level. It is kind of turning around right now. I think it's probably going to bounce off 50 EMA and continue. HBAR needs to get above 12.3. 0.123. That is the level for HBAR to get above, because then these previous levels up here all come back into the picture. So make sure you set that alarm on the Hedera chart. So I have been wanting to buy Ondo, to be honest with you. I want to add that to my portfolio, but we did miss kind of some of this move here. And it's this bullish pennant broke out of this bullish pennant and is now, trying to get it back above the support resistance level at 95 right, 98 cents. It's at 95 cents. I'm going to have this alarm set. What are you I am 100% leaving that in the video. Good to see you, brother. Yeah, so Ondo, big alarm, everyone, at 98 cents. It's at 95. If Ondo breaks that level, I'll put it in this portfolio. But this could be the port where it gets rejected from it too, which is why that 98-cent level is such a big level for Ondo. So before I give you what I'm buying this week, I do want to give a quick shout out to my Telegram group. We have been absolutely killing it over there. If you want to join, send me an email, ajalphagroup@gmail.com. Been getting messages like this saying like, I opened Telegram last night. Long story short, already paid the year I already paid for is already, he paid for it already. This guy has been in the group for 2 days, already paid for his 1 year. Yeah, big shout out to him. And this I've been getting a lot of messages like this. We are absolutely killing it over in the Telegram group. I am very proud of everyone there. Like I said, if you want to join the group, send me an email, ajalphagroup@gmail.com. So for this week, I'm going to buy $250 of Phantom Sonic upgrade. It's one of the biggest winners in the portfolio. I want to have more of it. It's the biggest winner in the portfolio, and I only bought $350 of it. I have $1,200 in the graph. I'm up like $27. I bought $350 of Phantom. It's up $226. I need to hold more Phantom. I think this one's going to continue to go the Sonic upgrade. Very bullish on that. I'm buying 250 in the graph as well, because like I said, that level that it's dancing on, I think it's going to go above. Like I said, 50 cents is a big target for the graph, and that's a big move from where we are now, around 31 cents. I'm buying $500 in HBAR. I know that it's kind of coming down, but there's so much news around HBAR. I did a deep dive for the price prediction video on HBAR and learned more than I even knew before. I'm that much more bullish on Hedera.
You went down a rabbit hole on that one.
I did. I actually, I refilmed the video a couple times because I kept learning more things. And I was like, oh, I have to put that in the video. Got to reshoot. I put so much work into this video, and I know that's not the most efficient thing. I wouldn't do this for every video, but this video is special to me. This project is special to me. And of course, like, big shout out to the H barbarians. So 250 Phantom, 250 the graph, 500 HBAR, 250 Algo. Like I said, breaking out of that downtrend. Big targets for Algorand on the horizon. Let's hope it gets above 19 cents. And then I'm going to buy 250 in Aero, AERO. I'm only down like $17 on the 200 I bought before. That is one I kind of want to get into a little bit more, kind of a new cycle coin. I want to get into Ondo as well, but like I said, it has to get above that 98-cent level, or I literally could be buying the local top. So I'm going to play it a little bit carefully. So we have just drained our dry powder. We had some stacks. Now we don't. Now it's...
We're back in it.
Yeah, we're back in the market. We're back in the market. So there we go. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You want to tell them to smash the likes and comment?
Please smash the likes. Comment in the description what you want to see, what you want to hear.
Comment in the description, everybody. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I want to know down below, what coins are you buying in your portfolio? I want to research them and see if they're going to make the cut next week. My name's AJ Writes Crypto.
I'm Jada, the Glitter Queen.
Have yourself a safe rest of your day. Get rich. Don't get wrecked. Later.